Hey everyone, Vegan Adventures with Gene and Jen. I'm Gene.
I'm Jen.
And we have some weird camera action going on here. What's going on?
Well, maybe I'll move over a little.
Come right over here, baby.
Hold on, I'm sitting on my foot.
Wait, watch this. Ooh, watch the swivel.
Okay.
There you go. So now that we have our camera issues taken care of, I got a new vegan treat here I wanted to tell you guys about. I haven't tried it yet because I know you guys like to watch it when I taste the food. 100% plant-based. Handheld. It says handheld. Like handheld chainsaw. Handheld. Pot pie. Buffalo chicken.
Who makes that?
In Alpha.
I never even heard of them.
I've never heard of them.
They were at Wegmans, obviously.
They make 4 different flavors that I was going to tell you guys about, but I'll tell you now. Buffalo chicken, which is what I have. Beefy cheddar, pizza, and chicken veggie. Now, these all are 100% vegan. They have 560 calories. Now, I'm going to show you this little bugger.
It's cute.
Okay? It's like a little muffin or something. It's not very big, if you can see that. But it smells like buffalo chicken. I wish you had smell-o-vision. You could really get a whiff of that. Want to sniff it? Am I right?
It smells, I don't know, I never ate buffalo chicken.
Okay. So you microwave it for a couple of minutes, depending on your microwave. It's got 560 calories.
I think this would probably be for the non-weight conscious
32
people.
grams of fat. This
is a vegan junk food treat, really.
11 grams of protein. Ooh, get your protein. Don't forget the protein. You know, what happens if I don't get my protein?
Nothing.
Nothing, because you'll be dead. Don't matter.
You don't
anyway.
even take the protein drinks anymore.
I don't do any of that stuff. So that's it. Alpha. Okay, here we go. We're going to dive in.
It's very cute.
I think I'm going to need some sort of cutting device.
I think it's probably not done.
You don't
Our
think it's
microwave
done?
is very windy.
Oh, it feels a little hard in the middle.
Yeah,
Our microwave is not the best.
We'll have to chat for a while
There
if
you
it's
go.
not done.
I'll just flip that baby over. I'll take it right off the little plate there. All right. Did I ever do the pizza puffs?
I don't know. Is it hot in the middle?
Oh, it's hot.
Okay. All right then.
hold on.
Well, show them the center.
Get your hands out of there. You don't lose a finger. See that? It's so succulent. It's so juicy.
It looks chickeny.
Okay. It's just like supposed to be like buffalo chicken, you know?
You want ranch dressing to dip it in or
Oh,
something?
that sounds good. Let me try it. Let me try it on its
try
own.
it plain, and then I'll bring you some. Of course, vegan ranch dressing. How is it? Buffalo chickeny? Does it taste like Gardein?
It doesn't taste bad. Let me try it again.
Does it need hot sauce?
No, it actually, like the bread, the pocket is overpowering the flavor of the chicken. So, I mean, once you cut into it, it looks good. It doesn't...
The vegan ranch, his favorite.
Mm-hmm.
What was I going to look up? Something on here I wanted to see.
Vegan beer.
Protein plants. No cholesterol, no animal products, no GMOs.
It was $3.99 where?
Wegmans. Always Wegmans. They have their section now, like when you go for the cold cuts, is empty half the time. Like, stuff is just gone.
Thanks for tuning back in, kids. I appreciate it. We had a absolutely insane summer that we're coming down from, and we're excited to get back on the channel. So
we've worked like every weekend,
Please.
almost. And last weekend was Jade's bridal shower. So we had family in from out of town. We worked all day, most of the day. We worked all day Saturday till like 6 o'clock at night. It's been crazy. So, but I did start my other channel.
Jen has another channel. It's off of her Bitch in the Hurry channel, correct?
Yep.
And Jen is a talent many of you don't know about. She is a tarot card reader.
I am.
Would you like to tell the folks at home about your tarot cards?
Well, I have a favorite deck called the Shadowscapes Tarot, and I've gotten messages from you guys, but because some of you guys are subscribed to my other channel. But if you're not, you can head over to Bitch in a Hurry. I'll try to remember to put the link in the description, or you can go to bitchinahurry.com, and it gives you all the information. And my latest YouTube video is always at the link right on top.
And the other thing I'd like to point out is that the reason the Bitch in the Hurry, actually the reason the Bitch in the Hurry channel and the Vegan Adventure channel kind of went down was because our main computer for my business crashed. So we ended up
on Friday, April 13th.
April 13th. So
turned on and would turn off.
Actually, that's probably the main reason. So anyway,
Yeah.
what happened was we had to use. I bought a special computer just with the video editor.
Yeah.
You guys saw some of the Bitch in a Hurry. I started doing some nice editing, and they were coming out really nice. So we had to use that computer over there. So we're going to end up getting another computer and getting things back rolling again with the two channels. But I really encourage you to check out the tarot card. Yeah. Jen does a fantastic job. Anybody I know who's gotten a reading by her is really amazed and very impressed. So again, go to Bitch in a Hurry.
bitchinahurry.com. Or the YouTube channel Bitch in a Hurry. And the reason I did mention before, I don't know if I told you guys before, but I did mention why I switched from doing what I did for 30-something years is I think I'm sick of talking about people's clothes. And I don't want to have to like argue with people about what looks right, what doesn't look right, because I know, and if you know what I just was like, it seemed like so much work to me. I didn't really love it. I've done it for so long that it just wasn't something I love. But tarot cards, it's never worked to me. It's so I can do it for hours and not realize how much time has passed. It's so much fun for me, and so that's what I want to be able to do in my free time. When I have free time, that's what I like to do. So I've been able to do a lot of readings in my free time, but now that I don't have the salon anymore, I have a little more time for it. So
now she's bringing her passion and love of tarot card reading to you. And I encourage you to look it up. Again, the website is www.bitchinahurry.com, and there's also the YouTube channel, Bitch in a Hurry, or the channel you're watching right now, Vegan Adventures with Gene and Jen.
We're going to do more Vegan Adventures videos, too, now that I get you back a little bit. He's been working like 7 days a week since it stopped snowing, so
we've also got a lot of food to try.
Yeah.
There's been a lot of other things out there. I tend to go for a little more vegan junk food than Jen does. She's pretty good on the raw stuff. I give her a lot of credit. She does a lot of cooked stuff too, but
I don't eat anything. That's the thing. Since I quit drinking, I stopped eating any kind of like junk food.
Does everybody know that on this channel?
I don't know. I didn't do a video about it. I mentioned it like
she didn't quit drinking as in she had a problem drinking.
Right. That wasn't falling down in the driveway. Usually.
She just made the decision that she was not going to have wine anymore. And how many days has it been now?
Oh my gosh, it's been almost 6 months actually, and in that period of time, I lost almost 30 pounds, which I think. Part of the problem, the wine was hard for workouts. It made it really difficult, like when you have a headache and you're dehydrated, to go and run 5 miles. That was hard. And we were going to the gym a lot. And I was like, why am I drinking 1,000 calories of wine and then trying to work out the next day? Like, what am I doing?
How many calories does a bottle of wine have? Probably 900.
I think it's almost like 900.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a lot. And a bottle of wine,
Nope,
I don't know about
you can't put down a bottle of wine.
I can, easily, very easily. So I just decided to stop. But I did change the way I ate. I've been eating a little bit too. And I promised my one girlfriend I would do a video on what I actually eat now, because she's like, what do I eat? And what are you eating? And I'm like, I'll do a video, but I haven't done that yet. But I will.
So
we have a lot going on.
Just to recap, we're not going to get long-winded here. Just to recap, we got the Alpha handheld pot pie buffalo chicken. I think it tastes good. I don't have any problems with it. I think the bread is overpowering the chicken and the buffalo.
There's not enough filling?
Yeah, I really taste more bread. The bread is actually very good.
Do you feel like you want to dip it in something? Or
no,
is it like now?
I feel like there needs to be twice as much filling in it.
Gotcha.
So, definitely give it a shot. You're not going to waste your money. It's $3.99.
If you're somebody who likes bread a lot, you probably will like it. He's not so much like that.
No, I enjoy bread. I'm looking for that buffalo chicken.
And if you
flavor.
look at this, it looks like there's a lot more filling in there, and the crust is thinner.
Yeah.
But the taste is okay?
Taste is great.
Would Annabelle like to eat the bread?
And for those of you who don't want real spicy stuff, it is not spicy at all.
Oh, that's a good thing.
It is no heat. It's at all. It's just got that sweet, tangy flavor. The vegan chicken. Oh my God, I thought I heard the phone.
It has dairy-free mozzarella on it. That's what.
Yeah, it's 100% vegan.
Oh, the question: should I buy this again? That's a no.
No. I would eat it again. Excuse me. I would eat it again.
Maybe the other flavors are something you'd enjoy more.
Well, we'll let you know, because we did buy some of the other flavors, and we're going to try them out right here on the channel. Okay?
Right. Yeah. All right.
So thanks for watching Vegan Adventure with Gene and Jen. If you don't like our channel,
we don't care.
We don't care. You guys have a great night. and we'll talk to you soon.